You just said you did.
Well, I don't. 'Cause I don't. Because he's mean to me.
He is not.
He is mean to me. Bye-bye, Adam.
Adam, you mean Daddy?
Bye. I really don't want you, Daddy, because I really don't want you because I really don't want you. Because I really don't want you because you're mean to me. Because you're mean to me and you're gonna make me cry.
He is not going to make you cry.
He is gonna make me cry.
Why? From the pictures he sent?
Yeah.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say, I want to go to the zoo, Daddy.
I'm going to the zoo, Daddy. Tomorrow I'm going? Okay. Bye, Daddy.
Blow him a kiss.